Hello, welcome to our final STEM program.
We have a good one for you today.
What is
excited?
Yeah, we still are, even though it's September, the days are still hot. What do you like to come home to and have when it's really hot? What's refreshing?
Something cold, for sure.
Ice cream? What if you don't have any in your freezer though? What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
Well, we could make our own.
That sounds like a great idea.
So ingredients that we're gonna need to do this are half and half, whole milk, ice cream salt or even kosher salt would work, vanilla, that will help add the flavoring. Of course, we need sugar and ice. And in addition to that, you'll need a couple of sandwich-sized bags and a gallon-sized bag.
And probably some measuring cups.
Definitely measuring cups. All right, let's get to making our yummy ice cream.
Okay.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to make our ice cream in this sandwich-sized bag. That seems so strange, doesn't it? But it will all make sense at the end. So we're gonna open up our bag, get some air in there. And yeah, you might need another hand or like a cup to put the bag in because we're gonna be adding liquids and all that good stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is add some half and half, and we need a cup of half and half. Take this off so it's a little easier. We're gonna do a cup. That's the big one there of half and half.
Am I doing?
Nope, you're good. All right. So you can even do this over the sink or like a cookie sheet in case you think you're gonna be messy. We weren't quite prepared. Okay, so we're gonna pour it in that bag.
Good job.
Yay! No spillage so far. All right, now we need our whole milk. And guess what? We need a cup of that as well. I'm gonna just pour it in there. Yay, all right. So now, what makes everything taste nice and sweet? Sugar does. So that's what we're gonna need next is our sugar. And we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of sugar. So on the spoons, it's the largest one. Tablespoons is TBS. That's the shortened version of it. And we need 3 of those. So you can either pour it in or you can just clean, you can just scoop it out. So 1, 2, 3. All right. So now we have to add the flavoring in, and we're gonna use vanilla. So we've got vanilla, and we're gonna do 1 teaspoon. So teaspoon is TSP. So you're gonna find 1 teaspoon, and you're going to fill it up, the spoon. We'll add it to our bag. Awesome. It's gonna taste so good. And then we can seal that bag up.
Okay.
And we're gonna need to double it up. So we wanna try to get maybe some air out. So we'll
Some
fit
of the
in
air
another one.
out.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. It's hard to believe that we're gonna be able to turn this into ice cream.
I don't know, but I'm pretty excited.
Yeah. All right, so you're gonna
Excited
stuff it
to
in
try
there.
it.
Yeah. And why we're double bagging it is because we're gonna use this ice cream salt in the bigger bag, and we don't want our ice cream to be salty instead of sweet. That would be pretty gross.
Unless it's salted caramel, that doesn't
Then
sound
that
very
would be
good.
really good, yeah. All right, so we've got that. So now we need our gallon-sized bag, and we're going to put a cup of salt over ice. So we probably need to fill our bag, our gallon-sized bag, I would say half with ice.
Okay. All of it.
Yeah, probably all of it. Okay. And then we're going to take either our ice cream salt or kosher salt, if that's what you have at home, and we're going to measure out 1 cup. This is neat. It looks like little
Salt crystals.
Yeah.
It sort of looks like the salt that you pour on the road.
Yeah, it does. Except for that one is.
Don't eat that.
Don't use that instead. Probably need that in a couple months when winter comes. Okay, so we've got our salt. So we're gonna pour it over the ice.
Okay. We need to like mix it up.
It doesn't say that you have to mix it up. So you can just, I guess when we start shaking. We can do
Oh
that.
yeah. Now does this
And
go?
then, yes, and then we place our ice cream in there.
Okay, so the ice cream bag goes in the bag of salty ice.
Yes. And I would
Seal
say,
it?
yeah, I would say seal it. And it wouldn't hurt to double bag the ice bag. Yeah, just because we've got ice, sharp corners, and we don't want ice flying around your home. We might get in trouble for that.
Maybe.
We might, oh, that might be a good idea.
There we go.
Yay. So now, after that is all sealed, it's going to take a little bit of work and shaking. And you might even want like a kitchen towel or something because it's going to get cold. So we are going to basically, we're going to just shake the bag. And it's going to take several minutes. You're just going to shake it all around like this. Wouldn't hurt to hold the top and do that so it doesn't pop open. And shake.
You just keep shaking?
You just keep shaking. All right, you'll see that I kept shaking for a little bit off camera, that I ended up using towels because guess what? This ice gets really cold. But when it's warm out, it feels really nice.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh
So
yeah,
nice,
that feels good.
All right, so you want to shake for, I would say, at least 5 minutes, and then you can see if it's ready.
And it might help to have a partner.
Yes.
Because shaking for that long gets old.
Yeah, your arms
Yeah.
might start to
Yeah,
come down.
so this is a fun thing to do with a friend or a sibling or a parent or someone who lives in your house.
All right, so I've opened up the bigger bags, and you'll know if your ice cream is done because it's not going to be that liquidy substance that we had. Ooh, Miss Alicia, look at that.
It looks so good.
That looks like ice cream.
I am so excited to try this ice cream.
So remember, this outer baggie was touching that salt, which probably would make our ice cream not taste so good. So you want to I'm going to just kind of dry it off. And we'll get rid of the outer baggie. All right. And, oh, look at that.
Oh, it looks like ice cream.
It does. Look at that, guys. Let me check out the thickness of it. So, oh, yeah, that looks like ice cream. And you could probably shake it a little longer and get it like more like thick if you want. So this would be the time that you would put it in a bowl or eat it or whatever you want.
Add some toppings
Yes.
if you have any chocolate chips or
It's very cold.
anything at home. Okay, are we going to try it?
Yes, let's try it.
Let's try the fruits of our labor.
That's pretty good.
That's
Yes.
really good ice cream.
Yes, and it's always better when you make it yourself, right?
Yeah.
You put all that hard work in there. Yeah, that's good. Well, we hope you guys enjoy your ice cream.
It was very good.
Yeah.
All right, well, this is Miss Nicole and I's,
Yes.
my last STEM program with you all. But we have enjoyed hanging out with you so much. We are for sure going to miss this, but we hope you keep experimenting at home.
Yes, there are lots of STEM and STEAM things you can do. We got a lot of our ideas off of Pinterest. So yeah, explore, have fun, and again, remember, there's not really a wrong way to do it because it's all kind of an experiment. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
And then you just keep trying
Yes.
until it does. And make sure you check our Facebook page, check our website, grab our fall flyer next time you're in the library. And we hope you enjoy all of the other really fun things we have planned for you this fall. And happy back to school.
Yay.
And we'll see you around.
Bye.
Bye.